Hi, I'm Robert Hornado, owner of Pacific Collision Equipment Company in Southern California, and I am here at SEMA 2016, beautiful Las Vegas. Well, I distribute car liner equipment, and I have been for over 26 years. I just absolutely love the quality and the precision and the capabilities of the car liner equipment. There is no other manufacturer that comes even close to what car liner can provide for the shop of any size. My customers love car liner because it's simply the best and most productive equipment there is in the world. You won't find higher quality equipment that can produce and give you the return on investment that car liner can give you anywhere else.